Well, good morning. It is kind of a muggy morning out there as we are starting off the day. Temperatures in the low to mid 60s now. You have the south and southwesterly wind blowing currently at about 5 to 15 miles per hour, moving the flags. You see a beautiful sunrise. Our Syntax Roof Systems camera at the Killeen Regional Airport. Temperatures in the low to mid 60s currently. So a little bit on the muggy side here as we start the day. And again, we have that south wind. This is all ahead of a cold front that's on the way. This front will actually arrive today, but it won't arrive until after the heating of the day. So as a result, we'll actually end up seeing pretty warm temperatures before cooler air can start to work in. It'll actually put a squeeze on our atmosphere, and remember, that warms us up. It shifts the wind around the south and the southwest, and that is going to really heat up our temperatures. So we start off in the 60s here. We'll get into the upper 70s by noon, upper 80s and low 90s later on this afternoon. Should stay shy officially of a record at the Waco Regional Airport. I'm calling for about 88 there, 88 in Temple, 91 in Killeen. Some areas southwest of Waco, Temple, Killeen have the better shot at hitting the 90s today, and could see some low to mid 80s along the I-45 corridor. Tonight, the cooler temperatures a tip to work in, but they will be met by some high cloud cover, which will limit our cool down a little bit. Again, southwest winds ahead of that front. Once that front passes through, we get a north gust coming in here. As we get into the overnight hours, it will be kind of gusty. Could see gusts getting up to 20, maybe 25 miles per hour behind that front. And we may even see a scattered shower trying to build in. Now, I don't expect a lot of that activity hanging around. It's going to be tough because the atmosphere is still dry. So even though you're seeing some here on Future Track, don't bank on it. Just don't be surprised if you see some sprinkles. Now, as we get into tomorrow, northeast winds hold on. That's going to keep our cooler temperatures around upper 70s for highs tomorrow under plenty of sunshine. And by evening or overnight hours into Wednesday morning, that's when we'll see the cooler numbers in the 40s and the 50s. Wednesday, south winds turning gusty, giving us back into the mid 80s. So a very brief cool down. The core of this system passed to the northeast. We've been waiting for a pattern shift, and we may be able to get one here as we head into Easter weekend. This storm system will get close enough to bring us some rain chances. Now, I don't expect this to be a slam dunk in the way of rainfall, but rain chances could start as early as Friday with some isolated thunderstorms possible. The core of that should miss us to the northwest. Same on Saturday. We could see some isolated thunderstorms trying to rumble in the evening. And then by Sunday, for Easter Sunday, I expect more scattered showers and thunderstorms, though the core of this energy passes to the north. That's where the heavier rain will be. Still, we'll have the potential for those to hang around, and we'll have to watch for some of those to be strong to severe since it is going to be in the mid 80s. We may even have another chance of showers and thunderstorms as we get into next week, a more active pattern trying to take hold. In the Brazos Valley, more of the same again, mid 80s here today, 70s tomorrow. Does look like we'll get those rain chances increasing for this weekend.
I'm Shaji. I'm reporting in Georgetown. A&M Consolidated